How to draw Godzilla. Hey, learn how to draw Hub crew. So for the first step of drawing Godzilla today, we're going to begin by making the outline of the face on the left hand side of the page. Nice job! Now we're going to bring down the top of the head to the right side of the page. This will make the tail of Godzilla. Wow, so far we're doing really well. Now on the left hand side of the page, we're going to begin to make the chest, but we're not going to finish it just yet. Now directly to the left of what we just made, we're going to begin to make the first arm. Now let's just go ahead and connect that to the body. Great job! Now moving slightly to the right, we're going to begin to make the second arm. Now once we're all done making the arms of Godzilla, we're going to go ahead and finish the chest that we previously started to make. Now we're going to begin to make the lower half of the body, so we're going to start off by making two curved lines. Now right by the tail, we're going to begin to make the first leg of Godzilla. Now for the feet, we're going to create a total of 4 toes, and the toes will look similar to diamond-like shapes. Wow, that looks great. Now let's go ahead and connect that to the tail that we previously made. Now to help add some detail, in that big empty space in the chest, I'm going to go ahead and add in a plus sign. Great job, this is coming along very well. Now on the left hand side of the page, we're going to begin to make the second leg as well as foot for Godzilla. Now let's just go ahead and connect this to the body. Awesome. Now on the very top of Godzilla, we're going to add in big spikes. Later on in the video, we're going to color this in blue. Nice. Now if you need a second to catch up, you can go ahead and pause the video right here. Now for this step, we're going to begin to add some detail to the face, such as adding an eye as well as teeth. Now inside of the body, we're going to add some shapes that will help him look more sharp. Now lastly, on the tail, we can go ahead and add in some parallel lines to help add some detail. This is how to draw a Godzilla. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and cut our drawing together.